Garden of Nightmares. The most poisonous indoor houseplants you should absolutely keep out of reach of children and pets. Welcome to Pest SWAT. In today's episode, we'll uncover some of the most dangerous and poisonous indoor plants you should avoid having in your home. Indoor plants add beauty and freshness to your living space, but not all of them are harmless. These seemingly innocent beauties can pose serious risks to your health, pets, and even children. Join us as we explore the darker side of indoor gardening and reveal the hidden dangers of some popular houseplants. Flamingo flower. Botanical name, Anthurium. Flamingo flowers, with their vibrant blooms, can be an attractive addition to your home. However, all plant parts hide a toxic calcium oxalate that can cause skin and eye irritation. If ingested, it can lead to stomach discomfort. To stay safe, handle these plants with care, and be sure to wash your hands thoroughly after any contact. Caladium. Botanical name, Caladium. Caladiums are known for their striking foliage, but they are not meant for consumption. All parts of the caladium plant contain poisonous calcium oxalate. If ingested, it can result in symptoms like intense burning and swelling of the mouth, tongue, and throat. To prevent accidental ingestion, keep caladiums out of reach of children and pets, and consider wearing gloves when handling them. Clivia. Botanical name, Clivia. While clivia plants are cherished for their bright, trumpet-shaped flowers, they also contain toxic compounds called licorine. Ingesting any part of the clivia plant can lead to symptoms such as nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. To keep your household safe, ensure these plants are placed away from curious mouths and paws. Dumb cane. Botanical name, Dieffenbachia. Dumb cane, with its lush leaves, can be visually appealing, but it's far from harmless. The sap of dumb cane contains calcium oxalate compounds that can cause severe mouth and throat irritation when ingested. To prevent accidents, place dumb cane plants out of the reach of children and pets, and handle them with gloves to avoid skin contact. Devil's ivy. Botanical name, Epipremnum syndapsus. Devil's ivy is a popular houseplant due to its low maintenance, but it can be toxic if consumed. All plant parts contain calcium oxalate, which can cause digestive issues and mouth irritation if ingested. To stay safe, keep devil's ivy away from pets and small children who might be tempted to chew on its attractive leaves. Poinsettia. Botanical name, Euphorbia pulcherrima. Poinsettias are a common holiday decoration, but their leaves contain a milky, latex-like sap called terpenes and diterpenes, that can be irritating to the skin and toxic if ingested. While severe poisoning is rare, it's best to keep poinsettias out of reach and wash hands thoroughly after handling them, especially if you have children or pets. Ivy. Botanical name, Hedera. Ivy, with its cascading vines, can add elegance to your home, but its leaves and berries contain heterin, a saponin compounds that can be toxic when ingested. Symptoms may include nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. To stay safe, place ivy plants in hanging baskets or on high shelves, away from pets and children. Amaryllis. Botanical name, Hypistrum. Amaryllis bulbs produce beautiful blooms, but they are toxic if ingested. The bulbs contain licorine and alkaloids that can cause nausea, vomiting, and abdominal pain. Keep amaryllis bulbs out of reach, especially from pets and children, and consider wearing gloves when handling them. Myrtle. Botanical name, Myrtus communis. Myrtle plants are valued for their fragrant leaves, but all plant parts contains tannin and volatile oils compounds that can be toxic when consumed. Symptoms of ingestion can include stomach discomfort and diarrhea. Place myrtle plants out of reach and educate family members about their toxicity. Swiss cheese plant. Botanical name, Monstera. Swiss cheese plants have unique, holy leaves, which contains calcium oxalate, that can be toxic when ingested, causing mouth and throat irritation. While severe poisoning is rare, it's best to keep them away from pets and small children who might be tempted to nibble on their distinctive foliage. Oleander. Botanical name, Nerum oleander. Oleander is known for its stunning appearance, but it's one of the most poisonous indoor plants. All parts of the oleander plant contain glycosides that are highly toxic if ingested, and even inhaling its smoke can be harmful. One leaf is fatal and will disrupt heart function, trigger circulatory failure and lead to death. It's crucial to remove oleander if you have pets or small children and to wear gloves when handling it. Oxalis. Botanical name, Oxalis. Oxalis, with its charming shamrock-like leaves, can be appealing, but all plant parts contains oxalic acid, which can cause digestive discomfort, nausea and kidney inflammation when ingested in large quantities. Keep oxalis plants away from curious mouths and teach family members about their potential toxicity. Heartleaf philodendron. Botanical name, Philodendron scandens. Heartleaf philodendrons are common houseplants known for their heart-shaped leaves. All plant parts contain calcium oxalate, which can cause skin irritation and digestive upset if ingested. Intense irritation of the mucous membranes produces swelling of tongue, lips, and palate. To prevent accidents, keep them out of reach and wash your hands thoroughly after handling. Aralia. Botanical name, Policias. Aralia plants come in various species, but many of them contain saponins compounds that can be toxic if ingested. Symptoms can include stomach discomfort and nausea. Place Aralia plants out of reach and educate family members about their potential dangers. Australian umbrella tree. Botanical name, Schefflera brassica. The Australian umbrella tree can add a touch of the outdoors to your home, but it's important to be aware that all plant parts contain oxalic acid and saponins, which are toxic if ingested. Keep it out of reach of children and pets to prevent accidental ingestion. Jerusalem cherry. Botanical name, Solanum capiscum. Jerusalem cherry plants produce small, colorful berries that may look tempting, but fruit contains solanine, a highly toxic glycoalkaloid. Symptoms can include nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. Keep these plants away from curious children and pets. Peace lily. Botanical name, Spathiphyllum. Peace lilies are a popular choice for indoor decoration, but they can cause skin irritation. All plant parts contain calcium oxalate. Be cautious when handling them and make sure to wash your hands thoroughly after contact. Keep them out of reach of children and pets. Arrowhead vine. Botanical name, Syngonium. Arrowhead vines are known for their arrow-shaped leaves and are generally safe if handled with care. However, all plant parts contain calcium oxalate, which can cause skin irritation in some individuals. It's a good practice to wear gloves when handling them and wash your hands afterward. We have journeyed through the most toxic and poisonous indoor houseplants you should absolutely keep out of reach of children and pets, unveiling the hidden dangers lurking in our homes, showcasing some of the most common indoor plants that can pose risks to our health, pets, and loved ones. We hope you found this information valuable and that it has shed light on the potential hazards that can hide behind the beauty of these plants. Being aware of these dangers is crucial in creating a safe and harmonious indoor environment. If you found this video informative, please make sure to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, leave your comments down below, and most importantly, subscribe to Pest SWAT. Thank you for your support.